nice.
It's really hard to get pictures of a dog that's the same color as the dirt.
I agree with that. I like that.
Oh, you want to see the pictures of your dog? Okay, from back and forward. So, one straight on. I didn't get one of her full out.
No.
And I deleted the ones where she looked totally ridiculous. You know, the one where she looked like she only had 3 legs. And like, it wasn't a funny one. It was a like, what's wrong with your dog kind of picture. Every dog takes them. Some dogs just get more of them than others. Oh, there we go. Awesome. I was wondering how you're doing. Why is it that people always manage to walk right across the picture?